Okay, continuing for our last video, right? What we're gonna do now is that we are going to draw a few more things using the polygon tool and also using a line tool. So what I'm going to try out now is I want you to try using the over tool. I want you to try drawing a semicircle. So you can see if you have a circle and you want it to be half. So what we can actually use the line tool to cut it across. So by drawing a line across it, you'll be able to select half of the circle. You can even change it to another color you want. Okay. You can also remove it and remove the outline. You have half of the circle. So if you want to draw rectangle, okay, let's say I select rectangle tool. On the right side, this property, you scroll down, there's a rectangle option. Okay, this by default is a 0, which is the border, the radius around the border is actually 0, so it will be a square or sharp corner kind of a rectangle. So if I were to set a radius here, okay, the rectangle corner radius, we set it to 20. Okay, if I draw it again, you can see this is radius 20. If I set it to 50, okay, and I draw the rectangle, you see it looks like a pill. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this pill. Okay, I'm going to the rest I'm going to delete away. Okay, and I'm going to select this or this. Okay, and I'm going to draw a pill. So how to draw a pill? I'm just going to use a line across, and I'm going to select this and change it to another color. Okay, and select this part only. If I don't double click, see, I can keep the outline or can remove the outline. Okay, so this is how you can use just shapes, line to create new shapes. And the other one I will want you to learn will be the Polystar tool. Okay, so using the Polystar tool, we are going to select at the bottom here. Okay, by default it's a polygon. Okay, so if I were to draw a polygon of 5 sides, so this is how a polygon of 5 sides. If I change it to star and I set to polygon 7 side, okay, it will be a 7-sided star. So this is how you can use stars. So I want you to create something like a 20 sided star. So I'm going to put 20, and I'm going to use the color fill. I'm going to use some light color yellow and a whole shift. So notice you have like a sunlight kind of shape. I'm going to draw this here, and I'm going to remove the outline because I accidentally selected the outline, and I'm going to group this. So after I group this, I'm going to select the pill, group them together, and I can put it here. You see, this will be some form of a result where it looks like there is a sparkle on it. So if I want to change, I can also select the polygon again. I go to the option, the tool option. Okay, the star point size. Maybe I want it to be lesser, maybe 0.1. Let's see. Oh, you see, this is how 0.1 look like. So I'm going to choose a 0. Maybe 0.3. This time around, I'm going to remove the outline stroke, change it to nothing. I'm going to draw it. Okay, you can see. So I have this. I'm going to double click this. I'm going to group this, and this I will arrange, move it to front, and now you can see my pill has a glow. So this is some of the things I can try out with these tools. Okay, so lastly, I can have the text tool. Okay, this is not a font tool, this is a text tool. So what we're going to do is I'm going to select the character. Okay, I'm going to select the font type. Okay, let's maybe change to Franklin Gothic Heavy. Okay, I'm going to click and drag, and I can select the font size to maybe 30, and I say hello You can see the color fill is still the yellow. I'm going to change it to something darker. So now you can see this. If I want it to be bigger, I can drag here also. You see? Okay. So it's font size 50. I move here. I will change the and of course you can also set the alignment alignment paragraph, okay, by setting it to align center. You can see you'll be in center. So now I can see hello world, or I can even replace this with the Mickey Mouse, range, bring to the front. See this? So with this you can have a very uh, simple shape. Even though in this lesson, what I want you to learn from this is that subsequently at the end of this session, I want you to try on your own to create something like this. I hope that you'll be able to use the technique that I taught you earlier, okay, and apply it so that you have a scene like this with a Pac-Man and three goals for the Pac-Man to capture. One of it has a glow. So uh, think through what are the tools that you have learned earlier. Think how you can apply it. Okay, thank you for this video. Subsequently, we will be learning new things in Adobe Animate. So I look forward to see you in my next video.